Welcome to Bold Story Press and Xander Press's Navigating Facebook video. The tabs at the bottom of your screen are how you navigate to different parts of the app. This is the home page. Here you can find content from both accounts you follow and accounts you don't. At the top, you can view stories posted by accounts you follow. Stories are only viewable for 24 hours. You can also click your profile picture to add to your own story. You can use the plus button at the top right corner to create a post, and you can use the magnifying glass to search Facebook. If you click Friends at the bottom of your screen, you can see friend suggestions. At the top, you can view any friend requests you might have and a list of your current friends. If you click Reels, you can view short videos. Scroll up to watch different ones. If you go to Marketplace, you can view items people are selling or sell your own items. If you go to Notifications, you'll be able to view your messages. If you go to Menu and click your profile icon at the top, you will be able to see your profile. Here you can add a profile picture and a cover image. If you click Edit Public Details, you can create an avatar, write a bio, add personal details like current city and workplace, and add photo highlights. You can also add links to your profile. If you click Edit Your About info at the bottom, you can add additional details to your account. Click the back arrow in the top left corner, then click it again and again. Below, you can see memories, saved posts, groups, reels, marketplace, friends, feeds, and events. If you scroll down, you can access your account settings. You will also see a button to convert to a professional account. Watch our Converting to a Professional Facebook Account video to learn more. At the very bottom, you can log out.